I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Guys, today was an absolutely epically great day. I want to start with that. What I would tell you is this. Guys, I have just discovered something about XRP that is going to blow your minds. Maybe some of you guys had heard about this, but I didn't. And finally, I understand what I believe that Mr. X had been telling me about XRP. He kept telling me there were going to be wholesale stablecoins and retail stablecoins. What are the retail stablecoins? Retail stablecoins are USDT and USDC. It's what crypto investors use, users use. It's what the normal average person using crypto, it's what we use to make trades, right? We're not wholesale though. What is wholesale? Wholesale is on kind of the national level almost, the international level, if you will. And I'm like, how does that even make sense? I didn't get it. I'll be honest with you. He's probably just finding out by watching this video that I didn't get it when he told me that years ago. I kept repeating it because it sounded true. I just couldn't make it out of my head. Well, guys, we now know. You want to talk about an explosion coming for XRP. Guys, all of our XRP wet dreams, I believe, are going to come true. And yes, I'm no longer the master and commander of the XRP Army, as you guys know. But I am just a regular patriot. Compatriot? I'm a compatriot with you guys. We're still in the XRP Army together. I'm a soldier. I'm back. I'm a grunt, guys. I'm an XRP grunt now. Back here at the bottom floor, trying to build up, which I'm seeing the bottom floor. I'm in a massive XRP trade on Phemex. And yes, I am at 12X. I compromised. I didn't do 5X. I didn't do 20X. I did 12X. So the point is I'm killing that trade. You want to try Phemex, get a link in the description or on the QR code on the screen. And go check it out. It's my exclusive trading partner of choice. But guys, I want to get back to the topic at hand here, which is XRP. I am in a massive XRP long. I'm super excited about it. I hope hit the bottom. But the fact is that, guys, when it comes to XRP and its future use case, something happened just now that is so big it's hard to put it into words. And guys, I got to tell you, make sure really quickly before you find out more about this story that you go check out Stake. QR code on the screen, link in the description. They are the Ben Armstrong Crypto X channel main sponsor. Fun, games, social chat, and more. Make sure to go check out Stake. Get your account today. Ben Armstrong Crypto X channel is powered by Stake. A representative from the World Bank has now said that they are classifying XRP as a stablecoin. Guys, that's not a meme. I know you guys hear that little joke and you guys are like, it's funny, XRP is a stablecoin. People have been saying that for a while now because it's fucking 50 cents. No, that's not what I'm saying, guys. The World Bank has now confirmed that they believe that XRP is a stablecoin. Now, that classification doesn't mean that it's going to constantly sit at the same value. What they're actually saying here is that they want banks and countries to use XRP in the same way that retail uses USDT or USDC. What does that mean? They're planning it to be a bridge currency between CBDCs. So on the national and international level, what does that mean? That means every bank in the world pretty much would have to hold XRP. And that's what we're thinking is probably going to happen, right? But this is just this was already going to probably happen because of just the speed and the efficiency. But now the XRP is being looked at by the World Bank as being a bridge in between national CBDCs. This is massive news, absolutely massive news that they are basically confirming what some people thought. I don't know if you guys have heard of the XRP riddlers. These are people that just come up with these crazy theories that don't come out to be true. But it looks like the wholesale stablecoin narrative for XRP, it looks like it might be true. And the World Bank has kind of just confirmed that. So guys, let me know down below in the comments, are you excited about this? If you're in the XRP Army and the price has been going up, it went down a little bit today. Let me know if you're excited. Guys, and remember, last week I made a video stepping down as the master and commander of the XRP Army. And I did that for one reason only, because I knew that would be the bottom. And I even said that in that video, and I was actually kind of being serious. There's not a coincidence that video came out when it did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out. That's all I got. Be blessed.